Greetings, I'm Ryan from Inline, specializing in WordPress and WooCommerce. In this tutorial, we're going to talk about which coupon fields are supported by the WooCommerce Bulk Coupons Editing plugin. The WooCommerce Bulk Coupons Editing plugin is a complete source for customizing and editing your coupons in WooCommerce stores. We have provided all coupon fields available in the WooCommerce, including both the default fields and the custom fields that you may need to add on the WooCommerce coupon pages. Now, to make it much easier to use these options, we've divided all of the fields supported in the bulk edit form of our plugin with their edit options in 4 categories: general, usage restriction, usage limits, and custom fields. Now let's check them out to find out which fields are available to bulk edit in our plugin. Alright, the first one is the General tab. In the General tab, you can see 3 different kinds of fields. Fields editable by text box, which are coupon codes and description. Then fields that can be edited using numeric conditions, which is the coupon amount. Fields that you can edit using the combo box, like for example status, discount type, and allow free shipping. And then lastly, fields editable by calendar, which are date and coupon expiry date. And then there is usage restriction. In the usage restriction tab, you can bulk edit these fields. The first one is minimum or maximum spend by using numeric conditions. Next, we have individual use only and exclude sale items by using combo box. And then include or exclude products or categories by setting conditions for the selection box. And the last one is allowed email, which is by text box. Then we've got usage limits. In the usage limits tab, there are 3 different options: usage limits per coupon, usage limits per user, and limit usage to X items. And you can edit all of these by using numeric conditions. Alright, lastly, we have the custom fields. In the custom field tab, you have access to all fields that have been added from the meta field tab, and we actually talked about this in our other video on how to add custom field or meta key to the WooCommerce bulk editing plugin. Okay, now we're completely familiar with the fields supported in our plugin, and now it's time to show you how you can use different options next to each field to bulk edit them. Alright, fields editable by text box. We've provided 3 boxes here: condition box, text box, and variable box. In the condition box, there is a list for some default items. Append, to let you add a text to the end of the current values. Prepend, which lets you add a text to the beginning of the current values. New, which lets you replace the current values by a new one. Delete, to let you remove some part of a current value, and then replace, which is for replacing some part of the current value by new ones. And then there is this text box right here that we've provided, and you can actually use it to type new values and then set a condition to apply to them from the condition box. Alright, fields editable by calendar. One of the incredible features of our plugin is the calendar provided for the fields related to date. In these fields, you can pick a date from the calendar by clicking on the box next to each field, as you can see here. Alright, let's move on to the next one: fields editable by combo box. There are some fields with some default items, and you actually have to choose only one item to assign to the field. So we've designed a combo box that includes every item as a list, and you just need to click on the option next to each field. For example, if you want to change the status of coupons, you can easily click on its combo box to see the list and then choose one of them, just like we're gonna do here. Moving on to the next one: fields editable by numeric conditions. For fields that you have to change a number or an amount, we provided 2 boxes. In the condition box, you can choose one of these conditions to change the field value. Set new to set a new value, clear value to clear the current value formula, to edit the current value by typing a new formula, and then increase or decrease by value to increase or decrease the current value by the new value in the text box, then increase or decrease by value, this time for percent, to increase or decrease the current value by the new value, which is percent, in the text box. If you ever need more help with using these conditions to bulk edit numeric fields, make sure to check out our other video on how to change multi-coupon amounts at the same time.